EBizCharge is a payments integration that allows you to run transactions, send payment links, automate collections, and more, right within Acumatica. Accepting payments is easy and works on invoices, sales orders, and service orders. Simply pull up the EBizCharge module within Acumatica. You can make full or partial payments, take deposits, or run a pre-auth. Then select a customer's saved payment method or add a new one. Finish by saving the invoice and capturing the payment. EBizCharge automatically updates the balance due, which means it eliminates all that pesky double data entry. Through our PCI-compliant security, EBizCharge uses advanced encryption and tokenization to protect customer payment information. With 3D secure authentication and off-site data storage, we reduce your liability while keeping transactions secure. Customers can pay online, in person, or through our mobile app. For businesses on the go, our mobile app makes it simple to accept payments anywhere, anytime. EBizCharge also integrates seamlessly with the Acumatica Field Service mobile app, so your field technicians can process payments right at the job site. Take a more hands-free approach to collecting payments with our suite of online payment tools. Let customers pay online by adding a Pay Now button directly on invoices in Acumatica. Customers will be directed to a secure online payment form where they can easily make a payment using a saved or new payment method. For repeat customers, sync invoices, sales orders, and service orders into your own custom branded payment portal. Customers can log in at their convenience, view all their open invoices, and make full or partial payments depending on your preferences. If you have customers who need to be billed automatically each month, you can set up auto billing cycles that charge fixed or variable amounts during each pay period. Plus, you can create custom billing automations using the native Acumatica scheduler to streamline your payment processes even further. No matter how customers make a payment, it will always apply back into Acumatica. With EBizCharge, you can securely request, store, and notify customers of expiring credit cards without all the manual work. Customers can quickly add, update, or remove card information on their own. As a manager, have access to advanced reporting tools. Easily build customizable reports to gain insights into the metrics you care most about. And finally, save time by having batch reports auto-delivered to your email inbox every day. Whether you're on the desktop or the mobile app, accepting payments has never been easier. Go to EBizCharge.com to set up a demo today.